I love singing with Keli. I could just sit and sing with Keli for I don't know how long I could do it. Hours, days, weeks. I have so much fun singing with her. It just brings me a lot of joy. In the beginning it was scary, and then I mean that's why you do it, right? Because you know it's I that's why I did it. I knew
Yeah.
it'd be a little scary, and I wanted to take that element out of music. You had helped me feel so safe already doing that. Like I knew I'd be in good hands, being able to join a group with other people that you had, like, I don't know, curated and put together this like really nice group of humans. It's not anything to fear, it's something to look forward to. And so I got that out of it, and I just feel really like confident in my ability to get in it and get messy and learn something from other people, and to know that if you're playing with the right people, that it's all good. I think the weekly meeting was good. I think an hour and a half was also really good, because that stretched my endurance, to like double or maybe even triple sometimes what I'd been able to do. So I think having that, just that time was really special. Where we started too, which is the two chord songs, was just a really nice entry.
Hmm.
It's like, where you walk into the ocean, and it's nice and it's gentle and it's lovely. So uh,
Hmm.
yeah, starting there was good, because then every week felt like something attainable. Like I had to practice for it, but it was still attainable.
If you could change one thing about the structure of the journey or how we do this 12-week thing in the future, what would it be?
Make it longer because it's like
Okay.
it's so nice. Like it was such a nice group of people too. I want to play more in, like, with other people or in front of other people or for other people. And so like just wanting to kind of expand my realm of, where I'm experiencing music or how I'm making music is kind of interesting to me in a way that is different. If somebody said, "All right, Cori, solo," I'd be like, "Okay, I can do that." And week one, I'd be like, "Absolutely not." Like, no way. Like when I see live music, watching that is totally different. I'm like, what can I learn from these people? What are they doing here? Like, it's changed the way that I think about how music is made, um,
Yeah.
with others, and that is like opens up like infinite possibilities, because every song you can think about differently. So it's really fundamentally changed the way I think, feel, and listen to music. I love singing with Keli. I could just sit and sing with Keli for I don't know how long I could do it. Hours, days, weeks. I have so much fun singing with her. It just brings me a lot of joy. She and
Yeah.
I were talking about getting together, and she's like, "Well, when can you do it?" I played with my friends, and I think there was like 9 women there, and um, then we all worked together in different capacities. And somebody was saying, anyway, they were talking, and she goes, "Oh yeah, Cori plays so great." And I was like, "Oh, this is so fun," because they had heard me when I was just starting out, and they haven't heard me in a while. So it's kind of nice to have some of that validation too from
Oh, yeah.
people that haven't heard me play very often.
Oh,
Uh,
yeah.
so that was cool, and it's reinforcing, right? You're like, "Oh, you like that? I'll do that more for you." Then
Right?
it keeps going.
Yeah.